Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screenshots not working issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon and click on restart. Again, click on restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on software update and click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, click on motion and gestures and turn on plumb swipe to capture button. After turn on this button, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screenshots not working issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.